Hello, in this video I'm gonna explain the GoPro Lit Hero LED array right here. As you can see, this is the LED array and you can use it whenever the camera is on or off. It can be off, so let's try to maybe turn it off to demonstrate. Just press and hold on this button to turn it off. Now let's try doing it on the camera being turned off. You can press it here and you can see it enables the light. When you press on it again, it'll go to medium mode, and when you press it again, it'll go to the high brightness level. So there are 3 brightness levels. Now you can disable it, enable it again. So that is basically pretty easy, I think. And when the camera is on, you can also do it. So you can record with the light, or just use it as a flashlight if you like. So yeah, as you can see, I can, for example, now record with the flashlight on or off, and it just cycles through that. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.